Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're checking out the NEXPOW battery jump starter, a powerful 2500A car jump starter that promises to get you back on the road in no time. Let's dive in. The NEXPOW 2500A car jump starter is a powerful portable device designed to help you start your vehicle when the battery is dead. Here are some key features and details you might find helpful. Key features: high peak current. With a peak current of 2500A, it can start larger engines, including SUVs and trucks. Multiple jump starts. Typically, it can jumpstart a vehicle multiple times on a single charge. Built-in safety features. Includes protections against short circuit, overcurrent, overload, and overvoltage to ensure safe operation. USB ports. Often comes with USB outputs for charging devices like smartphones and tablets. LED flashlight. Many models include a built-in LED flashlight, which can be useful in emergencies. Compact design, portable, and easy to store in your vehicle. Usage: charging. Make sure it's fully charged before you need it. Connection. Attach the jump starter's clamps to the car battery terminals. Red to positive, black to negative. Starting the vehicle. Try to start the car. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a minute and try again. Maintenance tips: keep the jump starter charged, especially before long trips. Store it in a cool, dry place. Regularly check the condition of the cables and clamps. Specifications: peak current, 2500A, suitable for starting vehicles with larger engines, up to 8.0L gas or 6.0L diesel. Battery capacity: typically around 20,000 mAh, which allows for multiple jump starts and can power other devices. Input: usually equipped with a fast charging port, like USB-C or micro USB, for recharging the jump starter itself. Output ports: USB ports. Generally includes 2 to 3 USB outputs, 5V 2.1A, for charging smartphones, tablets, and other devices. 12V DC port for powering other car accessories. Advantages: versatile use. Besides jump-starting cars, it can charge laptops and run small appliances, making it a multifunctional device. Safety features: the advanced protection mechanisms help prevent accidents, making it user-friendly even for those unfamiliar with jump-starting. LED flashlight. Many models come with multiple modes, like SOS, for emergency signaling. Durable design, often built to withstand rough handling, ensuring longevity. User tips: pre-use. Check. Before you head out, check the charge level of the jump starter. It's good practice to keep it at or near full charge. Clamping technique. Always ensure the clamps are securely connected and avoid letting them touch each other. Follow instructions. Always refer to the specific manual that comes with your model for any unique features or instructions. Periodic testing. If not used regularly, test the jump starter every few months to ensure it's functioning properly. Cold weather use. Battery performance can decrease in cold conditions, so keep it insulated or warmed if necessary. The NEXPOW 2500A car jump starter is an excellent investment for anyone who drives regularly. It combines power, versatility, and safety, making it a must-have tool for roadside emergencies. Whether you're an everyday commuter or an occasional road tripper, having this jump starter on hand can save you time and stress when faced with a dead battery. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the road.